Hello everyone, welcome to Ada's Kitchen. This is another fried red peppers assorted beef stew for occasional use. It is going to be in Yoruba and subtitled in English. Please always read through the content so that you'll be able to fully understand everything and how it is cooked. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Gbogbo atayen lele tí mo crush pẹ̀lú yam pounder mi. Mo wá pre-cook it on a very medium-low heat till omi yẹn máa fi dry. I'm using the òróró I used to fry all the beef. Òróró tí mo fi dín àwọn ẹran yẹn ẹ yọ sínú pot. Ẹ wá fi tomato puree sí, add the tomato puree. Then after adding the tomato puree, I'm going to be stirring it until everything is well mixed. Ẹ máa cook on medium-low heat kẹ́ wá máa rò mọ́ra wọn, ẹ máa fry ẹ̀. Kí gbogbo tomato puree yẹn kó mix mọ́ òróró yẹn dáadáa. Please don't forget to like, share and comment. Then I will add the crushed ginger, garlic and the onion. I used my yam pounder to crush this. It's going to be like minced one. Whatever better you mince it. I will máa rò mọ́ra wọn. Cook on medium-low heat. Then add the eru. Ẹ máa fry it on medium-low heat. Ẹ máa dín mọ́ra wọn kẹ́ máa rò. Then atata ti boil lele, omi ẹ ti gbẹ mọ́ra díẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá ní time, ẹ lè boil ata yẹn kó omi ẹ dry dáadáa. You can do it the previous day and just keep it. Then continue stirring and mixing. Ọwọ́ ò gbọdọ̀ kúrò ńbẹ̀ at this stage, ẹ rò dáadáa. Tẹ́ bá ti rò dáadáa, ẹ máa cook on medium-low heat. But make sure you are stirring it continuously. Kó má lè jó nísàlẹ̀ rárá. Add some crayfish powder if you have. And Maggi. Mo ti crush Maggi yẹn. Or you can use powder Maggi. Mix everything properly well together to the bottom. Tẹ́ bá ṣe ń rò, ẹ máa rò désàlẹ̀ kó má jóná rárá. And make sure pé kó jóná nísàlẹ̀ rárá. Make sure it's not sticking to the pot, to the bottom of the pot. That is why you have to mix properly to the bottom. Ṣé tí òróró bá ti yọ lórí ẹ̀, when the oil start coming up, so àti mọ̀ pé ó ti fẹ́ ready nìyẹn. Then I bleached some palm oil. Mo gbá epo. Ẹ wá da epo yẹn sí lórí. Ó máa jẹ́ kó tètè dry dáadáa, ó máa fry dáadáa. I'm using vegetable oil that I used to fry the beef and another epo tí mo bleach. And continue mixing. Ṣé rí pé tọ̀dọ̀ mi ò jóná nísàlẹ̀ rárá. Nǹkan tó nídìí ni pé ká máa rò constantly. Ẹ má fi ilẹ̀ sórí iná láti jóná. Tó bá ti jóná, ẹ ní lè rò désàlẹ̀. Tó bá ti stick mọ́ ìsàlẹ̀ pot yẹn, ẹ ní lè rò désàlẹ̀ rárá. Ó máa máa ní bitter taste. Make sure you are stirring to the bottom. Mix everything constantly to the bottom of the pot. You can see the peppers is fried. At this stage, tí ata yẹn bá ti dín dáadáa, ẹ jẹ́ ká da assorted fried beef yẹn sí. Tí a ti make sure pé gbogbo a ti boil ẹ̀, ó ti rọ̀ dáadáa. Ká tó dín, àwa dà sí a máa rò. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó wọ́ kúrò. Make sure you are stirring constantly. Tí sauce yẹn bá ti ready, ẹ má da ẹran yẹn sílẹ̀ kan náà because it might be too much. Tó bá need kẹ́ add more, you can add more. Then I'm enjoying this fried stew with cauliflower rice. But ẹ lè enjoy it with rice and beans, anything tó bá wù yín lẹ lè fi jẹ. It is ready. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.